First off, I'd like to thank Archeer for sending this to review. I'll leave a link in the description below where you can find current pricing, and I'll leave a link to their website if you want to find out more information. Today we're going to look at the Archeer Bluetooth transmitter and receiver, model BT-07. So there's really nothing on the outside of the box besides the logo and the model. Let's go ahead and see what's inside the box. So here is the Bluetooth transmitter itself. So it does come with this adapter, which has the 3.5mm jack on one end and your left and right audio jacks on the other end. Here is your micro USB charging port. And it also has the 3.5mm audio jack. So you can see here it's the Bluetooth SPDIF transmitter and receiver 2-in-1 adapter. It has Bluetooth 4.1, 2.4 gigahertz frequency, class 2 output power category. And it also has Bluetooth range up to 30 feet. It does have a built-in battery of 450 milliamps. It gives you a few more specs, how to pair it with your phone. It looks like you can play, pause, next song, previous song, volume up, volume down by using the multifunctional button. You can also pair this to 2 different Bluetooth receivers. So here's the Bluetooth transmitter itself, which is sort of a matte black. Right here is your volume up, volume down, your multifunction button right in the center. That's your refresh button. So you've got your auxiliary or SPDIF switch on the side. That is your power LED light. So here's where you switch it from transmitter to receiver. Here you got your SPDIF in and out, your auxiliary, and your micro USB port to charge it. On the bottom it has sort of a rubber ring around it, sort of mimicking the button on top, so that's nice so it doesn't move around. It's really lightweight plastic, but it still looks nice and you could probably hide it fairly easy. They do give you what they're calling SPDIF, with these little caps on it. Personally, I would just call these digital or optical audio. I actually used to use these on my home entertainment center years ago before HDMI came out. So this probably would sound better than just the auxiliary jack. So here's everything that's included in the box. Okay, so in order to set this up, it's pretty easy. All you do is hold the multifunction button. You hold that down until it lights up and it's on. So the first thing you want to do is just hold down the multifunction button for about 3 seconds and then you're going to see this flashing. It's going to ask if you want to pair with BT-07 and you can just say pair and it's now connected. So you can play or pause by using the multifunction button in the middle. You can control the volume going up and down just using the buttons on top. This button here is just a refresh button. So if you've connected to a lot of devices, you can just hold that down for 3 seconds and you'll see it kind of resets the connection. And that'll clear all the devices you've connected to already. So whether you're hooking up speakers, headphones, your home audio receiver, or if you're using this in your car for Bluetooth, it's all gonna be the same way. You use the auxiliary jack, you plug that into the back here, and into whatever device you're using. You make sure this is on the receiver or RX mode, and you make sure the other switch is on auxiliary. So you're going to use the same settings anytime you're hooking this up to headphones a speaker, a home audio receiver, or your car auxiliary, that's the setting you want to use. Let's say you have Bluetooth headphones and you want to listen to your TV through Bluetooth. So there's going to be a couple differences when you want to watch TV versus hooking this up in your car, using it for headphones, or if you have a speaker or receiver. First off, you want to switch this over to transmitter. And instead of using auxiliary, I would not recommend using this for your TV. I'd recommend using the SPDIF-in. It's going to sound a whole lot better than the auxiliary jack. You want to switch this over to SPDIF on the side. Make sure this is on transmitter. So then all you do is plug this into the back of your TV. Then I'm going to go ahead and reset this so it doesn't remember my phone. Now, one thing I'm going to do is turn this off and turn it back on, and you should see the light turn green. So now it's in SPDIF mode. So then all you got to do is pair your headphones to the transmitter. Go ahead and turn the headphones on. There, now that it's solid green, after I hit the pair button, it's now connected to your Bluetooth headphones. So once you plug this into the back of your TV, you'll be able to hear what you're watching through your headphones. So that's it, pretty simple. Don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up if you haven't already. This is Brian from Fishbee Productions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.